So hello guys, today I'm going to discuss about the amazing feature of chat OpenAI. So let's try to ask something to this OpenAI. Okay, so let's write how JWT token works. Look at that. You just write a correct answer. And JWT are composed of the three parts: header, payload, signature. He's right, and it can just explain you anything. So let's ask to write a JWT token. Okay, so write a JWT token using Node.js. Let's see it can write our JWT token or not. Look at that, it just write entire JWT. Like, that was crazy thing. It just import our JWT, and it just write our payload, which is our user ID, email, or username. This is the correct way, and this is our secret key. You just look at that. Here it just assign this payload, which means the user data. This is our user data, and secret key. This AI just use this secret key, and this OpenAI also use this algorithm to assign or JWT, and it just generate our token, and it just also decode our token. That was crazy. It just write your entire JWT verification token. Let's write a use effect. Okay, so let's write a use effect effect. Let's write it in React.js. Look at that. It's just take a fake API, and it just fetch our data, and it also teach us how to use this this fetch data. It just write every code, and it just explain you everything. Let's write a simple navbar. Write a SIMPL is simple navbar in React.js. Oh, yeah, so you just write a simple navbar. You can use this code. Look at that. It's also use a router, React router DOM. And if you want to write a C++ code, let's write a simple functions using C++. Write a SIMPL is simple function using a C++. Look at that. You just write a simple function using C++. And it can also explain you how it work. If you don't know what is IOStream, you can ask, so what is IOSTRM stream in C++? Let's ask it. It just explain you IOStream is a C++ standard library header file that provide input and output operation. It can contain class functions to perform an input and output operation. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe this channel.